Alright, the truck's loaded up. We're heading to North Dakota. We have a 20-hour drive in front of us, so we gotta get on the road. Hopefully we can make it there by 5 in the morning. Gooseman's ready. We're loaded to the brim, so we're about to get rolling.
My first love was a wicked, twisted road. I hit the 1,000,000-mile mark at 17 years old. I never saw the rainbow, much less a pot of gold. Yeah, my first love was a wicked, twisted road. My first love was a castle in the sky. Never thought I'd make it till I had the guts to try. Then I sat up in my tower while the whole world passed me by. Yeah, my first love was a castle in the sky. My first love was a fearless driving rain. Scared to death, I thought I'd never see her face again. They said God was crying, so I guess he felt my pain. My first love was a fearless driving rain. My first love was a wild, sinful night. I ran out with the big dogs, guess I had more bark than bite. I know I won the battle, but in the end I lost the fight. Yeah, my first love was a wild, sinful night. My first love was an angry, painful song. I wanted one so bad I went and did everything wrong. The lesson in reality would come before too long. Yeah, my first love was an angry, painful song. My first love was a wicked twist.
Here come the ducks, hit the high baller. Shut up the dog, stare at the water. I'll say wind, hold on, y'all wait. Get 'em boys, boom, 12 gauge. Out in the mud down in Mississippi. A mallard duck, yeah, that's what gets me. Shooting this steel cause I can't shoot lead. But I don't miss, I just knock them in the head. In the duck blind, having us a good time. High five every time they fly by. Rowboat duck in the middle of the spread. Got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread. In the duck blind. I remember now when I was 14. A little wood duck hole, my friends and me. They were whistling Dixie coming through the trees. 12 gauge sound like a M16. In the duck blind, having us a good time. High five every time they fly by. Rowboat duck in the middle of the spread. Got sausage on the grill and a piece of white bread. In the duck blind, in the duck blind. Welcome sometime this fall. I'm gonna
Let me tell you a little story about how I was raised. Everyday work, everyday pray. God, family, friends, yeah, everybody sins. I win and never quits, and I quit and never wins. Help folks in need, don't fall for greed. A jealous man is weak, so think before you speak. If you love them, let them know. If you hate, let it go. Fast can be fun, but sometimes you need slow. God is all good, the devil is so real. So listen up, y'all, cause this is how I feel.
I won't back up, I don't back down. I've been raised up to stand my ground. Take my job, but not my guns. Tax my check till I ain't got none, except for the good Lord up above. I answer to no one.
See, I'm a flag-flying, Bible-toting son of a gun. Yeah, I'm hell on the heart.
All he needs is food and water, a little shelter from the rain. He ain't the type that likes to argue. I never once heard him complain. He never asked me where I've been. She could learn a thing or two from him. I said, come. He comes right here. He loves to go fetch my next beer. He rolls over if I tell him to. There ain't a thing my dog won't do. And then he likes my truck. He don't mind my gut. And he loves to hunt hogs. Why can't she be more like my dog? He knows when to keep his mouth shut, both ears open wide. He don't ever sweat the small stuff, cause he's just glad to be alive. You could say he's my best friend. Why can't she be more like him? I say come. He comes right here. He loves to go fetch my next beer. He rolls over if I tell him to.